everybody, welcome! Olá, bem-vindos! It's been a while since I've made a video for YouTube, so I'm very excited to be back. I wanted to take this time just to talk a little bit about the project Learn European Portuguese Online. It's been a year, a little over a year since we launched in September of 2018. So a lot of things have happened, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about the project. And for you guys that are visiting my Facebook page or my YouTube channel, I wanted just to have this video available so you have a better understanding of what is the project, what you can expect, what resources do we have available for you to learn Portuguese. Okay, so my goal with this project is literally to have a 360-degree, offer for you guys to have available different types of content depending on your interests. Okay, so if you want to have online lessons, if you're looking for a tutor, an experienced tutor, I am bilingual, born in the United States, grew up in Portugal, and now as an adult, I'm back in the United States. So I am a pure bilingual. I do speak fluently English and Portuguese. Okay, so that I believe is maybe one of my biggest strengths, is that I can really put myself in your shoes, because as a child I did move to Portugal knowing very little Portuguese, and then I did come back to the United States knowing how to speak English, but still I had to adjust to a new culture, had to adjust to a new city, and so I'm very well versed in that aspect. So I share a lot of that experience with my students. Okay, so especially if you're moving to Portugal. Okay, and then the other thing is I created a Facebook page and a YouTube channel where I will leave the links below. And on these, both these channels, let's say both these pages, you have access to exclusive content that I develop. Okay, so on Facebook, I tend to develop more content, based on images, where I explain grammar, I explain idioms, vocabulary, I give some tips on pronunciation, similarities between English and Portuguese that can help you on a daily basis. So if you just follow my page and every once in a while, every day or every other day, you will get access. It will show up on your feed, my posts, okay? And then on YouTube, I develop videos, usually animations, where I create animations to try to teach grammar or vocabulary in a more fun and engaging way. Okay, so feel free to check out my videos. Then also I have a Patreon page, which is probably my most recent project within Learn European Portuguese Online. In case you're not familiar with Patreon, Patreon is a platform that a lot of YouTubers use, a lot of content users. Content developers use. So it's a place where you become my patron, so you start supporting my project, and you have access to exclusive content. So, most of my content that is on my Patreon page, you will not see on YouTube. Okay, I do have a perk for my patrons, is that all my videos that are on YouTube, I place them on my Patreon before. So they have first access to all my YouTube animations. Okay, that is another perk. So for my basic tier, it's only $1 a month. You can have access to all this exclusive content. So what can you find on my Patreon page? On Patreon, you can find, I develop not only animations to explain grammar, vocabulary, you have several videos with me, okay? That is a special thing that I only do on Patreon. So on my YouTube, you might see some videos of me talking about various subjects regarding the Portuguese language, but I don't actually teach anything on my YouTube, okay? That is something totally exclusive to my Patreon. So on Patreon, I do have videos where I talk about how to pronounce words, how to certain words that can be, confusing or false friends in Portuguese. I talk about activities you can do at home to complement your lessons. So that is something you will only have access on Patreon. Also, on Patreon, I also develop audios where you will be able to hear me speak, to help you with for pronunciation. You will be able to actually download some of those audios, and I read, stories that I create, and I read them at a regular rhythm and at a slower rhythm, so you can compare both. You'll always have the transcript and the translation available. And the beauty of Patreon is not only everything that I do for it, is that it is an open community of Portuguese learners. Okay, so you have access to, you can comment on my videos, you can give me suggestions on my videos. Let's say you're struggling with something, you've been studying, you've been having lessons at a school or with a tutor, and you still don't understand a certain topic. Okay, you can reach out to me on Patreon and say, Sandra, can you please help me with this? And I'll make a video about the topic for you. Okay, or let's say you're in Portugal and you struggle, when you go to the supermarket or when you go to a store, you're struggling understanding what people are saying. I can make a video about that, about what usually you will encounter in a conversation at a supermarket, at a store, at a cafe. Okay, so it's a really, really fun community of Portuguese learners where I am there to support you guys in the learning journey. Okay, so again, you don't have to be my student in order to be my patron. Okay, so if you prefer to learn on your own and take your time, but every once in a while you have some questions and you want to have access to someone that can help you, I think Patreon would be a great option for you. And on top of this all, Patreon is also available in an app, so you can download the app and listen to my audios, to my videos on your phone, let's say while you're jogging, while you're walking, and it even makes it more fun. Okay, so again, Learn European Portuguese Online right now is not only a tutoring service, it's a full content service with audios, with videos, and with strong images through Facebook to help you learn Portuguese. Okay, so I'm hoping you enjoy our project. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, okay? Obrigada, adeus.